welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys like the new intro. You know, it's time for me to switch up the intro or whatever. So, today I got a video coming. It's not something I actually wanted for the Bronco, but I said why not? You know what I'm saying? It don't cost that much money, and I think it's a pretty cool accessory. Honestly, I don't really need it. I don't really have a use for it, but hey, who knows? It might come in handy. Here it is. It's a tailgate. It goes right here. So it goes in that this little space here. So from that point to that point. Not much that comes in here. You know, it's just got the screws, which is here. So it's on the four screws. You got four bolts or screws or whatever they are. Got the little rivet thing for the rivet gun. So you got that. And these are the instructions here. Instructions and a template. So the template, obviously you gotta cut it out and all that stuff. So go ahead and cut this template out. So put the stencil on. So I have to 4 holes I gotta drill out. So it's I think that's the bit size. But if you guys see how I got it look kind of high, so I can line up with this right here. So let's go ahead and get that drilled. Now you guys might be wondering which tailgate this is. Hell, they don't have a picture of it, and all they sent was the instructions. But this tailgate is actually made for the Jeep Wrangler. You know, it was around I think $45 or whatever. It's the same. It might be like maybe an inch off from what the one is actually for the Bronco, but the same company makes it. The only big difference is this is around $35-40 for maybe I don't even think it's an inch. It might be like a half an inch off, and they're charging like 80, almost $90 for the one that's made from the Bronco. The only reason why they're charging this the price that they're charging is because Bronco is new. You know, these new Broncos, there's not too many accessory parts for it. So they're overcharging, you know what I'm saying? Well, upcharging on the products that they make. Because a year ago, these products, you know, they was around a fair price. So they charging up, you know what I'm saying, up the prices or whatever because they can. I don't think it's fair. I don't think it's right. But you know, people gonna make their money however they're gonna make their money, especially with the way the world is going now with all this inflation on everything. So you know, a year ago it might have been $50. Now it's around $90. I refuse to pay that, so I got the one for the Jeep because I looked at the measurements because they so stupid. They put the measurements on their website. You know what I'm saying? To tell you exactly, you know, what they are, and I saw it like it was only a half a centimeter off to not centimeter, but an inch, something like that. I don't know. It wasn't off by much. You know what I'm saying? But you know, they're so stupid that they did it anyway. So hey, me being the person that I am, I don't pay a lot for the stuff that I do. I don't care if it's a rap, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, because I'm good at what I do. Whatever I touch, I'm good at what I do. So a lot of people might be like, oh, you don't spend a lot because that might be the cheap way to go. Well, you don't have the skills I got. And if you can, you know what I'm saying, match my skills, you'll be doing the same thing yourself except for paying somebody else to do it for you. So anyway, back to this video. So you do need to drill a small hole first in the center. Real through all the way through the center. So you're just doing just a test hole, and I didn't go through another side. so you just gotta be Just got to be careful. So no hole on the other side, but let me go ahead and concentrate and get these 4 holes tampered with. Get all this away. So got the holes, the 4 holes drill. So you got them, but you got the 25, 24 bit to open them up. In order to put these on, you need to get your rivet gun, and let me grab the other piece. So with the rivet gun, you just get your rivet nut, put it on, make sure it's pulled all the way back, and just apply a little bit of pressure. Let me see if I can make sure it's all the way loose. Just a little bit of pressure to tighten that rivet down. So you got the real nuts put in. Just using a rivet tool. So this is the hardware that's gonna go. 2 of them gonna go at the bottom. The other 2 go at the top with these stubs. So after I put that on now, I got these 2. I'll show you, just drop one. 2 little rubber pieces or whatever that go in the inside. Get the other one, put it in there, and should just fold up. These little things on the side is kind of in the way. I don't know if y'all can see, my bad for the camera view, but going like that. So they're like little stoppers or whatever. So this go on now, and then these little clamps right here just clip back. Switch hands. Clamps just switch, and then it just hook in place like that. There's one on this side too. And there you go. So this is it right here. Just a little sturdy little table, whatever. Once again, like I said, I don't really need it or whatever, but I just wanted it because it's a nice little cool little mod to have. So just, if I can get that thing unclipped. Yeah, I made it a little bit harder than what it's supposed to be. They just sit like this, so we go for. You set a laptop on it say it holds up to 75 pounds, but I wouldn't test that. That's just me. I wouldn't test it. But to each his own. It came out real good. But once again, the tools you're gonna need though is a rivet gun, drill bit, and this the template that comes with it or whatever. So that's all you're gonna need. It's a 2564 drill bit, your Allen key, and that's about it. That's all you're gonna need. Little simple little mod. You know what I'm saying? To kind of make the back stand out a little bit more. But that's all for the video. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of late. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have a blessed day.